Hello everyone, I am Sweetie
And I am Abhishek.
and today we are here to talk about the change in music industry of Bollywood.
To discuss on this topic, we have our friends like Sanchari, Tushar, Karan, and Manvi. And so I welcome all of you to be here our on podcast.
Thank you.
First, here we would like to know about your preferences in music and what do you actually listen to most.
So first we will start with you, Sanchari. What do you think about it?
I usually don't have any preferences, but I listen to music which gives rhythm to me or the lyrics which I can relate to, basically depending upon my moods.
Oh wow, that's great. And Manvi, what would you like to add on this? What change did you notice in music industry nowadays?
Yes, actually being a 90s kid, you can also relate, and even everyone present here can relate that 90s music was kind of soothing to our ears. You know,
Exactly.
it had meaning in its lyrics, and we used to listen, and we can vibe in it, can get immersed in it. Even you, if we talk about the song like Sajan Ji Ghar Aaye, it is still played in so
I
many
can
family
relate to
functions.
you completely.
Yeah. Also we cannot forget the song Sajan Ji Gara.
दूल्हे का
दूल्हे का
शहरा
दूल्हे का शहरा,
No
no one can indeed.
रिमेम्बर द सपने में मिलती है
थोड़ी मेरी सपनों में मिलती
ऑल्सो आज मेरी यार की शादी है
Okay, stop guys, otherwise we'll have our own Antakshari system here itself.
Okay, now we move to the Karan. What do you think about Karan? This drastic change happened in this music industry.
as you said that there are many ghazals musairas in Cyrus
No doubt. Mushairas?
Mushara, yeah. And
Yes.
have you heard the most famous शायरी तेरे आने की खुशी जब महके तेरी खुशबू से सारा घर महके.
वाह
Wow,
वाह
wow, wow. Amazing, Abhishek. What would you like to comment on this, Manvi?
Well, actually, I would like to comment that nowadays, if we see, no, there were so many singers like Lata Mangeshkar, Alka Yagnik, Udit Narayan. So there was some, you know, like still people listen to those legends' music. But if we see nowadays, the music is just blaring in our ears. You know?
The loud music
loudness,
you can bear.
people
They
can't
had
hear it.
some rawness
Exactly.
which
Exactly.
we lack now.
yeah
Yes.
in my family members we play songs and DJ and dance all night. I really like loud and energetic songs.
Oh, now that you have mentioned about the concert, even I want to go to a concert.
The Gen Z's music talking about the concert. Okay, but if you guys have observed that nowadays singers are using auto tune, so what are your comments on it?
Yes, anyone thoughts on this?
Well, if we see in the 90s, there was not much of a concept, even rarely used much of a concept
Rarely
of
we can.
the, like auto tune. You know, there was some singers used to sing from their heart, from their there were different kind of techniques used in
Absolutely.
singing, but not that auto tune. But here, if we see, no, every other singer uses auto tune.
Technology advance, no, that's why.
Technology advancement. There's always pros and cons. We can say.
Every time.
My parents like them so much.
Yes, nowadays everyone likes the current music. So what are your thoughts?
Well, if we add to her rawness, yes, as we have said that even today, if we see, you know, there are so many singing competitions going on, and like from childrens to like adults, everyone sings from their like raw tone. But whenever they are progressing in their career, autotune is automatically imbibed in them. And they start using it. For example, if we see Tony Kakkar, even Neha Kakkar, and many other more.
And yes, as you mentioned the new current singer, have you observed that they are objectifying women? If I don't go wrong, the main song is Sheila Ki Jawani and recent one, Ooh Want a Wow Wow. I personally don't like it, to be honest.
But everyone enjoys nowadays, you know. Like
Yeah.
even women, as far as say Sheila Ki Jawani, Munni Badnaam Hui,
Yes.
Halkat Jawani, these are all songs like objectifying women in a very inappropriate way, but from like children to old age people, everyone enjoys these kind of
Many
music.
songs, many songs.
Now this is a most not good thing in our society, in our music industry, because it feels bad whenever we think about the girls. who
But
they
we
are
can all
dancing.
agree that we will always be a
90s.
90s song
I can relate
because
to
of
you.
its authenticity,
No
soulful
doubt.
music, and tune that's
Absolutely.
imbibes in our
I
heart.
can relate
Yeah,
to.
yeah.
Now I feel like a 90s song. We like them very much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to go back to 90s now?
Yeah.
No, we all can. As we are kids, we have our most of the time assignments. Sometimes we are stressed a lot, so we need some kind of a lo-fi music so that we can feel stress-free.
Yeah, also whenever we do traveling and moving somewhere, we like to
Exactly.
hear these 19th kind of songs, because these kind of songs give us like uh, enjoyment and also like patience to hear and travel in the long way.
Yeah, even nowadays, still to till date, no, my grandparents ask me to like start the radio and listen to the old music, like in Aankhon Ki Masti Mein.
Yeah.
Yes, actually we see in the 90s each and every person music is played around us, and many differences in traditional songs, like instrument is used to create the music.
Yeah, there were so many different instruments, no, like violin. There were whole batch of orchestra going on. But nowadays, the whole music is done on the like system, and the music is created.
This kind of song is everyone is enjoying by now.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone can, and now they are enjoying till now, and maybe probably in our next life, like
More
in-
Generation.
Yeah, everyone will be enjoying these
Yeah.
kind of songs.
Okay, so I think that we have concluded most of the part and covered everything in the podcast. So, and I think that if you want to ignore the music, you can ignore, but you can't completely stop listening to it.
Yeah, this is a good thing that we cannot ignore the music, because music is a art of feelings and
Yeah.
emotion.
Exactly.
We cannot ignore it.
And it is like an integral part of everyone's life.
Everyone's lives.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so thank you all of you to be here on our podcast.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.